Can you tell me this address, please? Or can you say this address for me, please? Which one is correct? Sentence 1 or 2? The difference is only between say and tell. Let me tell you, both say and tell are verbs, but when we use them, there is little difference. So when we use say focuses more on words. For example, I came to say sorry to you, or I wanted to say thank you for your help. Past form of say is said. We use it for direct speech. For example, Rohan said, I am going to Mumbai. Or her parents said, don't go out, it is raining. On the other hand, tell is used to get more information. For example, can you tell me where gate number 11 is? Or could you tell me this address, please? Past form of tell is told. We use it to convey messages or instructions given by somebody. For example, her parents told her not to play out in the mud. I hope now you have understood the usage of say and tell.